Hey guys, and welcome back to another video, and I hope you are okay on that side of the screen. And today with the Pamu Quiet, which so far is the best earbuds with active noise cancelling.
And love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't want to waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.
Okay, so let's start the video talking about the active noise cancelling on these earbuds. Now, I've tested a few headphones, full ear headphones, and those usually work really nice. There are some on the low budget, some more expensive, but usually it's easier to isolate the sounds and there's more space for the components to do their job. Now, when we are talking about devices such as earbuds, which are much smaller, that effort is a bit more difficult. And my feedback regarding these is that they are great. They do an awesome job. Now, at this moment you are not hearing, but I've got some what we call parasite sounds. At this moment, the one that goes above the others is my external GPU, which I'm listening to it. It's nothing special, but it's a noise. And the other earbuds that I tested with active noise cancelling did not erase that noise. And these I noticed immediately the first time that I tested that it disappeared, and that was awesome. So if you're on the market for something with active noise cancel, which is really active and really effective, then this is a great choice. Now, let's talk about the rest. Comfort is one of the things that I really appreciate on any earbud, because if they are not comfortable, I will not be comfortable. I will be jogging or running and feeling bad. I will be thinking about my ear instead of thinking about what I'm doing. What I can say is that they are really comfortable. I can put them in easy. They will not come out and they will stay there. I can use them for a few hours without any issues. Regarding sounds, one other very important thing, because they might have the best noise cancelling in the world, if they don't have a great sound, then probably I don't want them, but they do have a really nice sound. Now, the bass is really nice. The overall sound quality is great, really clean audio. The only thing that personally I would say that I would like to have a little bit more is the volume. And the volume is great, but I do enjoy to listen to music really loud, especially when I'm jogging, running, and doing my sports. Now, I was talking about sports. What I do basically is jog on my treadmill, or jog on the outside, or also biking. But especially on jogging, what I can say is that we sweat a little bit, and usually there are some earbuds here and there that will not stay here on the ear, and that is not the case with the Pamu Quiets. Actually, we have tested a few devices from Pamu, in this particular case earbuds, targeted at sports, and one of the things that really annoys me is if I'm running and if I have constantly to put my finger on my ear and try to feel if they are falling, then it's not meant for sports. And Pamu has developed a few that with a really great experience, and this is not an exception. They work really well, very comfortable, as I said before, and we can sweat. They are waterproof, IPX4, so splash proof, sweat proof, no worries at all. Besides the earbuds, also the case is IPX4, so no issues right over here. Now, what we can do basically is the normal that we can do on any earbuds, and we are talking about play, pause, and then turn on or turn off the phone calls that we receive while we are on our jogging session. For example, call Siri or Google Assistant, depending on the operating system that we use, next track or previous track if we have that available, and of course the activation and deactivation of active noise cancelling. And usually this is what we get on any earbuds. Now, the great thing about these is that we can customize and have, for example, volume up and volume down, because I didn't mention those, but we can have them available through the app that iPad Mate as, which is to me a new app. This was the first time that I tested out, and I do believe that there's improvement to do it, but this is a great beginning. Now through the app, what I can do a few things, change modes and so on and so forth, but to me the most important was exactly the possibility to change the way that I interact with earbuds. So if I want to put the volume up and volume down, and if I want to eliminate Siri, for example, I can do that, and I can do a lot. So I can customize the way that I want for me, and that is a great option right over here. So I do believe that the app can improve, can be more rich, can have more features and so on and so forth, but for this, it's just awesome. Usually I don't talk about accessories because I do show the images on screen and that's about it, but the case, it's different from the usual. It looks like a pocket watch and it is original. Now some of you might say, hey Robert, I really love that design, it's original and I would love to wear it. Some of you might say, hey Robert, I hate it because blah 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 blah, and we don't care about the case, we care about the earbuds and so on and so forth. So I do believe that there will be a lot of reactions, but the truth is that it caught my attention and my job here is to pass my attention to that side of the screen. And honestly, they are very original with a really nice design, really nice build quality. And talking about quality, let's talk about battery. Battery, are talking about a duration of 3 to 3.5 hours of duration of the earbuds, and of course the case, it's a charging case that we can charge at least 2 times the earbuds, so we will have a autonomy of roughly 7 hours more or less with the case and the earbuds. 10 hours because if the earbuds are already charged, we have 3.5 hours, and if we have 2 more times, then yeah, 10 hours more or less. And that is it. Hope that you guys enjoyed the video. And if you did so, don't forget that usual thumbs up right over there. My name is Roberto, and as always, I'll see you guys on the next one.